Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can block calls in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. To block calls or to block contacts, just go to phone icon and go to contacts and click on the contacts which is to be blocked. So incoming and outgoing calls will be blocked to those particular contact. Okay, here I just uh, select I select Achari, and to block this contact just go to these three dots and click on add to block list. And if you select it, you will not receive any phone calls and SMS messages from the contact once it is blacklisted. Click OK, and this contact is blacklisted, and you will not receive any incoming call or any messages, or you cannot make any outgoing call to this number. So in this way you can easily block contacts, one or more contacts. Here I have shown one contact blocking. If you want to block another contact, just go to that particular contact. Here I go to Achari Ramar and just click on this three symbol, just select it and then click on this three dots and click on add to block list. Click OK. So in this way you can easily block one or more contacts in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.